Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today, it's absolutely beautiful in Pensacola, Florida. It's hot already, and I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is baking the skin off the side of my face already. Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars back here. I am redoing this video for this winter and summer mix on the windshield washer fluid. Julio's not even going to get a chance to speak in this one. I'll put the logo up there for him, but he's not going to speak. I think he did the calculations wrong for me to get me back for the argument we had over the little conditioner that we're using now. Anyhow, back to it. That little tab right there will do a gallon of summer mix for 12 cents a gallon. You cannot buy windshield wiper fluid for 12 cents a gallon anywhere. Now the winter mix, where it's the most expensive, here's the kicker. Very easy. You put one of those tabs in for your winter mix, leave the gallon down a little bit so it's lower, and if you want 20 to 30 degree protection, add 8 ounces of 70% or higher RA, rubbing alcohol, or Old 99. Now we have a gallon in the tools list that is really cheap, and it's 99%, so you might as well just get that. It'll work the best. Now these will start turning a beautiful blue, as you can see right now, and the tablet will be dissolved before the end of this video. Now here's the great part of this. I want 20 to 30 degree protection. I will add 8 ounces of the 70% or higher RA, and it'll cost you $1.54. You can't beat that. All right, and I'm gonna have to double triple check Julio Cesar Rajiv Bucksnort's calculations from here on out. But that RA right there, 8 ounces of it, and you can buy it wherever you want to buy it the cheapest, but we have the cheapest by the gallon in the tools list. So you'll keep the water down about that level, add 8 ounces, you're good to go. Now this is the great part of this. This is what really makes this great. A lot of states, Tennessee, Georgia, they'll get freezing temperatures, but they never get down 20-30 degrees below zero. Now you'll add 12 ounces for about $2 a gallon if you're in 40-50 degree below weather. If you're in that weather, you got bigger problems anyhow. So this is the video that we wanted to get to you. 12 cents for summer, $1.54 to cover you 20 to 30 below for your winter mix. Now we got it right. Hope this helps. Sweet Project Cars out.